Hello and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. Every year for his birthday, my husband looks forward to my homemade carrot cake. But now he's a vegan. And I've never made a vegan carrot cake before. So, for guidance, I went straight to everybody's newest obsession, ChatGPT. As always, I'll put the full recipe down in the description, but let me show you how to make it. So here it is, ChatGPT vegan carrot cake, complete with cream cheese frosting. And I have to tell you, it's really good. Huh. Now, if AI could just make the cake and do the dishes. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Become a subscriber. And as always, I invite you to leave a comment for me down below because I really do love to hear from you. Join me again next time here at home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching.